I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start with Essentials, a signed-in Google app and Discover enabled. Once done, open the Google app and tap your profile picture at top right. Make sure to choose Settings, then Interests. This is where you control Discover signals. Don't skip enabling notifications if you want real-time updates. The reason? Discover uses these preferences to surface relevant cards, so acting here shapes what content appears. Now tap your interests to begin adding topics. Now you'll add and refine topics. Search or scroll the category list to find subjects you care about. Tapping Follow adds them instantly. Once you follow several, Discover learns patterns and prioritizes similar stories, which is why balancing broad and niche topics matters. If a topic floods your feed, tap Unfollow or remove it from your topics. Also check the hidden list to restore mistakenly hidden interests. Keep adjusting until the feed reflects the balance you want. Finish by reviewing your Discover feed and letting Google recalibrate. It can take a few hours to fully adapt. If updates don't appear, clear the app cache, force close, or update the Google app. Signing out and back in can also force a sync. If cards keep showing unwanted items, use the card menu and select Not Interested. That direct feedback accelerates personalization. Finally, periodically revisit interests to prune or add topics, so Discover stays useful and relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.